Hi, welcome to Revit Customizing the Keyboard from our Tips, Tricks and Tactics video series. The keyboard is one of the easiest items to customize in Revit, and just like with AutoCAD, it is one of the most productive. Many Revit users are reasonably good at using the keyboard and can get to commands quicker than many of the other standard and customizing options. The Autodesk website has an excellent introduction to what is existing in the very comprehensive keyboard shortcuts that come with Revit. To access the Australian website, go to www.autodesk.com.au/shortcuts/Revit. Here you will find a great amount of information about the Revit customized keyboard. Let's go to the internet. Notice that every keyboard shortcut that comes with Revit is listed here under its relevant category. If I go back up, if I was to pick here on the Revit keyboard shortcuts PDF, it brings up this PDF, which would be great for downloading and giving to your users as a reference. When you edit or create keyboard shortcuts, you're actually editing the keyboard shortcuts.xml file, which you'll find in this folder. So it's going to be different for each user. You've got to go to your C users, your name, app data, roaming, Autodesk Revit, Autodesk Revit 2021, and you'll find the keyboard shortcut XML file here. If you want, you could copy this to other users so that they're all using the same version of the XML file. Or just let each person customize their own keyboard to suit their own requirements. So let's go to Revit and see how easy it is to edit the keyboard shortcut.xml file. If you have a background in AutoCAD, you'll be tempted to type the keyboard shortcut and hit the Enter or Spacebar keys on your keyboard. Keep in mind that the Enter key is not required for Revit keyboard shortcuts. Simply type the keystrokes and the command will execute. Now if you go to the ribbon menu and hover over a command, the Revit help is activated and it will show you if the command has a keyboard shortcut. Here we can see Wall has WA, Door has DR, Window has WN. Let's try the Wall shortcut out. So I type WA and I've initiated that. You can see it's all set up in the properties and here it is ready to go. So there was no enter, just WA. And right now if I type DR for door, now you can see it's initiated the door routine. However, you may wish to customize more commands or change the existing ones. The great thing is that in Revit it's quite easy to do. To edit shortcuts, we can go one of two ways. I can come File, down to the Options button here, pick User Interface, come to the Keyboard Shortcuts and hit Customize. Let's just escape out of there. Or what I could have done was come to the View tab, over to Windows, User Interface and pick Keyboard Shortcuts here. Two ways of getting to the same thing. So you bring up the Keyboard Shortcuts dialog box. Here you'll notice all of the Revit commands are actually placed. Some have shortcuts, some don't. We're going to add a shortcut for the Show Work Plane. So I'll just come in here. Let's type Show. There it is, Show Work Plane. So down in this Press New Keys, I'll type SWP and assign it. So you can see that's now been assigned to that command. Hit OK. Let's try it out. SWP, it shows the work plane. It's that easy to do. So you can come in and customize the keys as you want to use in Revit. So in closing, if you want more information about customizing your Revit keyboard or need assistance in setting it up, do not hesitate to contact Interscale at any time. Until next time, thank you.